Welcome to this guide on enhancing security for outbound calls. The pin list feature in HaPBX is a powerful access control layer, allowing you to enforce specific permissions before a call is allowed to use an outbound route. To create a new pin list, we need to access the PBX Applications area. Please navigate to PBX, select Applications, and then click the PIN Lists module. Here, we will start building our new list. First, add a clear description, so you can easily identify the purpose of this pin list later. For example, PIN for international calls. Next is the crucial part, adding the list of valid PIN codes. These pins can be of any length, but it is vital that each pin is separated by a line break, so the system recognizes them individually. Once the list of PINs is complete, press Save and then Apply Changes to activate this new configuration. You are free to create as many unique PINs and lists as needed. The final step is deployment. You can now add this pin list to the desired outbound route, for example, the international route. When users attempt to dial through this route, they will be prompted to enter a valid PIN from this list to complete the call. Utilizing PIN lists is an effective strategy for controlling costs and preventing unauthorized use of expensive or sensitive dialing routes. Thank you for following this HaPBX configuration guide.